So tell us more. Tell us this whole story, Sally. The camera is rolling. We're making a video for the cats.
The previous owners
Went to Australia. This is live. Okay.
went to Australia, Emma and John Moorhead.
Oops. Yeah.
And they're worried about their cats
Their hemorrhoids.
being not happy.
So we're making a video
So we're making a video
to show just how happy they are. So
Yes.
where's
this is
Hugo?
A happy kitty video.
Okay, so where's Hugo?
Oh, where is Hugo?
Show the camera. Where's Hugo? Come on, it's rolling. We're 30 seconds in and there's no cut.
Where is Hugo?
Ooh.
Ta-da!
Eating his buckwheat and tofu. Look.
No. He does appear to be eating his buckwheat and tofu,
And his wakabi seaweed.
but we think he's a very happy cat.
Get out.
You can make an advert for cat food, couldn't you?
Oh, good grief.
Look at that, Hugo. Lovely.
So, I don't think Hugo's going to do any party tricks.
Let's see if he'll go for a bit of tofu. See if he goes for the upmarket stuff.
Now, where the other cat is, I don't know.
Ah, she's on my bed.
Okay, so this is our second movie. We are looking for the other cat.
Where is Katia?
Where is Katia?
Katia is a girl and she loves to curl up in her boudoir. Follow me.
Follow Sally to the boudoir. Oh, there's a cat.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
What we'll do, we'll go on the other side of the cat.
Smile for the camera. What's that?
It was not a very active cat.
Hey, beauty.
Partly you're making a shadow on her, so you can't see anything. That's better. Hey, pussy. And there is a wild tiger right next door, about to eat the cat. Oh my god.
That's Bob the bear.
Hello, Bob the bear. Hello, Katia the cat. Right, well that's not a very interesting video, but at least we prove Katia exists.